background. He's excited. Okay, so these are my 3 airplanes. So this one's called the fighter jet. So yeah. This one it didn't really have a name, and it's the same with that one. They didn't really come with a name. They just said best airplanes to fly along from the tutorials I watched. But yeah, these are what these 2 look like. You've got the little axle in the back. They're very aerodynamic. Yeah, sorry if they look a little bit beat up. We had to film this a few times. But yeah, okay, so now I'm going to race them and see what happens. Okay, so the first one is the smaller one. The next one's the longer one. Not the fighter jet, though, it's just the longer one. Okay, so these 2 are like exactly next to each other, and I don't really know how that happened. So I want to say this one won.
Oh, sorry, that's the neighbor's evil camera. It turns red and beeps at us sometimes.
Yeah, sorry about that.
Yeah. I say this one wins.
Yeah, I want to say that one wins. Okay, so the one with, this one wins. The one with no name.